children, today we will discuss about identification of sounds. We have already discussed about three letters and its sound. Today we will start from D. It produces the sound of D. How to produce? Hold your tongue at the back of the upper teeth and blow the air out. Your teeth must be at the upper, it should touch the back of the upper teeth, and you should blow the air out, and the should be pronounced. For example, the. Like this you have to pronounce. Your child should be pronounced. So duck, drum, dog. So like this, duck, drum, dog. Like this you have to pronounce. Your child should be pronounced. Next, a. E sound. E letters produce a sound. Spread the lips lightly. Don't open widely. Just lightly, and let air come out of the mouth. Just like this. This is very easy. Elephant, egg, ankle. Like this. Okay. Then F. Like bird. Press the lips and blow the air out. Very easy. So fish, brown, pan. It is very easy. So you have to practice. Your child should practice it and show the video, and repeatedly they have to practice. So I have told there are 46 phonetic sounds actually, but we are concentrating only on the 26 letters and its sounds. He should or she should able to identify the sounds of the letter and with the some examples. Example means some words like that. Okay. Once again I will repeat: D, duck, drum, dog. E, a sound. Elephant, egg, ankle. F, fish, frog, pan. Like that your child should be able to produce that sound. Do you practice it to your children at your home?